How to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled. In order to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to move into any of the web browser. In the search bar, you need to search for Snapchat support. Now head over to the very first site, help.snapchat.com. Move into it. Once you are in this official page, scroll down and right here you have to click on Contact Us. Now click on the very first option. I think my account was compromised. Now if you scroll down, you will need to fill up some of the information, as in enter your username, your email address associated with your account, your phone number, and as well as state the problem that you have been facing on Snapchat. If you don't know what to write, you can simply copy and paste the thing that I have just written. Once done, tap on Submit right here. Now within 24 hours, you will get your account recovered and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial.